Hello and welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this short video, I'm going to show you how we can link our Apple HealthKit and Google Fit data to our Airmid app in order to get information from those apps into the Airmid app. Simply log into the Airmid app and hit our index menu up here at the top left-hand side of the app. Select Settings, and then there's a section here around Google Fit to select Import from Google Fit automatically. I simply toggle that to On. And from that point onwards, all data recorded in the Google Fit app or in an equivalent iOS and Apple device recorded via Apple HealthKit would be recorded automatically and synced with the Airmid app. Thank you for watching this short video. If you'd like to subscribe to us, please click the link below. Thank you.